Hey, JumpSport family, Becca T-Bun here, your Power Girl Diva, and we've got an upper body workout for you. We're doing chest, shoulders, back, and we're gonna make this work so strong. You have to take each 40-second workout and strengthen through each muscle that we're working. So if we're doing chest, I want you to really think about your chest. If we're doing back, I want you to really squeeze that back. Got it? We're gonna be doing this for any level. So if you are an echelon, stronger athlete, go ahead and grab your Beyond Band as well. That's the one with the single hole. Everybody else, you can use the Sexy Flexi. My beginners, if it's too much, I want you to trim it down and don't even use a band. Just do the movement. Let's get a little bit of arm workout in here before we get started. Arms are out, flexing up, palms are all the way up, abs are tight, glutes are tight, back is strong. Give me 8 circles round. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go to the front. There's 1 and 2. Push it hard. And 3. Push it 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do the other side. There's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax that shoulder. Relax that neck. Reverse it. For 7 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me some W's, pulling it down, squeeze it back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give me some field posts. Palms are faced forward. Pull out and back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Big shoulders all the way around. There's 4 and 3, 2. Reverse it. We're ready. Awesome. All right, get your glute band on. I am going to slide in a little glute here for you, just for kicks. But I want you to really concentrate. Whoops. I want you to really concentrate on your lower body. Be careful while you're putting on your bands. Always safe to hold onto something or sit down while you're doing it. When we're doing the chest, I want the band all the way up at the top. All right? I will demonstrate as we do the chest press. Your booty is coming out to the edge. Feet are flat down. Back is pressed down, lift up through the head, squeeze up. You're gonna lift up through the glute, come out, open up, bring it back in and drop it down. 17 minutes going on the clock. Let's hit it. Up, out, in, and down. Squeeze up, squeeze that chest, squeeze the glute, palms are pushed in. Use that breath. Exhale up, inhale. That's it. Halfway there. Squeeze and push those hands all the way to the ceiling. One more time. All right, here's your extra press. Here we go. In and out. This is 20-second break. The next one is an overhead press. We're gonna take it down by our hips. The other hand goes overhead, elbows out. Punch it up. Extend that arm all the way. If the cardio is too much for you, then just stand straight in place. With that elbow all the way up, all the way down. While you're doing it, you want to make sure that your hand is back here, not forward. Push it back. That's it. 10 seconds left. All right, 40 seconds, that was it. Let's run it out. Next one is going to be your back. You're going to put both hands on the inside, thumbs on the outside, make it in a field goal post. Cross crunchy. Here we go. Push it out. Squeeze that back. Again, if this is way too much cardio for you, then just concentrate on the back. You can even do this on the floor. You can even do this without anything. Squeeze and pull. That's it. Everybody's got success in this program. 14 seconds left. Woo! All right, way to go. We're gonna hit those shoulders next. I want your palms facing down. Shoulders are back. Knees up. Way to go. 20 seconds left. Feeling it? We're gonna do a little extra shoulder push. Stand in place, double time. Squeeze, squeeze. Woo! Feel that burn. 5 seconds left. End of round one. Carefully step off. Let's go to round two, chest press. In 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Up, open, squeeze it together. Press it to the ceiling. Yeah. I want you to really think about your décolletage. Think about your chest. Squeeze it tight. Pulling it together. Get that little booty coming in as an extra little bonus in here. Not necessary. Way to go. Awesome. All right, going in for the overhead press. You're gonna take it down in your right hand, left elbow, drop it behind. Make sure the band is behind you. Hit me with some cross country. Here we go, up and out. Now the dynamics of this band, keep going, don't stop. The dynamics of working with the bands, you can make it harder going down lower or make it easier coming up higher. What works for you? Challenge yourself, or if it's too hard, drop the band. Eight seconds left. Make sure you bring that elbow all the way down, pushing it all the way up. Way to go. All right, moving into exercise 3. We've got the back. Your fingers are going on the inside, thumbs on the outside. Field goal post. Here we go, in 5, 4, squeeze that back, pull it in. Woo! Keep going. Squeeze that back. Squeeze your glutes while you're doing it. Let's go. Those arms up high. Way to go. All right. Bring it in for shoulders. This time we're gonna put those palms facing each other. Shoulders back, lift up through that chest. Bring those knees up. "20 seconds with your hands down low. And we're gonna raise them up about shoulder level. those heels down. Increase that core activation. Now palms to the front, still pushing up. That's it, shoulder height. 10 seconds left, let's hit it. Ready, double time. Squeeze it out. Woo! Push, 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 push. That was it, all right. Shoulders round. Give yourself a big squeeze. This should have some fire in there. Going in for round 3. Lay down. Let's get set up for the chest press. Up by the chest. Lift up, open, in and down. I just moved it closer to my knees, not on your knees. You never want it on your joints, but making it closer to your knees is gonna make it a little harder on the glute. Now Thursday is glute day, but we like to squeeze it in here every now and then. Woo! Guys, I'm feeling a bonus round for you. All right, carefully step back on top. Overhead press, right side. Cross country of the leg. Your feet moving out. We're gonna go a little faster. Woo! That's it. Keep that arm behind. Feeling it in the other shoulder as well as it is holding it down in place. That is a linear pull, the activation that you only get from resistance band training. 5 seconds left. Woo! Double time, ready, pull. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right, this time we're gonna do palms facing up. Palms facing up, here we go, inside out. Jumping jacks. Push it down. I want that chest back. Squeeze through that back. That's it. I'm gonna hit that beat a little faster. Push. Oh yeah. Take it at your own pace, you guys. If you need to go a little slower, go a little slower. If jumping's too much, just use those arms. But everybody now stop bouncing. Double time, hit it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woohoo! All right, step off easy. We are hitting round 4. Hit that chest, bring it up towards your back. Run it up above your bra strap, ladies. Here we go. Lift and push. Up, open, in, and down. Squeeze that butt, squeeze that chest, pull. A lot of concentration here, get that breath. Exhale. I want that core tight too. Bring that belly button back in. You're halfway there. Yeah. Now just stay up, open up, keep those arms open and closed. Squeeze. Give me 2 more. Last one. Way to go. Come up gently, carefully. Step up. We have overhead press, left side. We cross countries. Up and down. Keep moving. This arm is pulling down, shoulders are back. Do not let that shoulder roll forward. Don't let your abs stick out. You want everything nice and strong and tight. That's it. 15 seconds left. Give me a little speed here. Come on, let's bring up that cardio a little bit. Last one, double palm push. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right. Fingers on the inside, thumbs on the outside. We're gonna take it from an overhead press. I want you to just come down into a squat on this one. Bring it down into a W. Ready? Squeeze, pull it down. Like an overhead press. That's it, squeeze those lats, AKA bra fat. Guys, if you're watching this, you know where I'm talking. Get those lats, that big sexy V. It makes your waist look smaller, gives you a nicer figure, and it helps cinch it down, especially those of us like me who's very boxy, don't have like the smallest waist. My waist and hips are not that different. Keep going, squeeze, pull. Now double time, give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woohoo! All right, let's hit those shoulders. This time, palms are facing out. Your palms are facing outward. 2 each way. 2 down, 2 middle, 2 up. You can keep bouncing. I've got a height challenge with my ceiling here. I'm gonna just stop right here. Squeeze it down. How low can you go if you're down? Stay in the middle here. Give me 8, 7, 6, push it faster. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Sometimes you just gotta do a bonus though. Let's hit that bonus. We're gonna do push-ups. If you've got your bar, you can do it standing up on the bar for beginners. If you don't have a bar, you can push against a countertop. You can go middle ground into the center, or you can bounce and press for elevated. Keep going. Up on those toes, squeeze back. Feel that chest as you're coming down. Push through that chest and the shoulders and back as you're pulling backward. Glutes are tight, belly's tight. Wherever you are, give me 8 more. There's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch it down. Woo. Way to go. All right, let's stretch it out. Open those arms, point those fingers. You did awesome. Big arms around and round for 4, 3, 2, 1. The other way for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Don't forget to check out all the workouts. We have a PowHERlates. We've got the upper body, lower body, and cardio bands. So we'll see you guys in the next workout. Create your best day ever.